There have been fires, shootings, and murders here over the years.
It's a free-for-all. All hours, day, night. There's people going in and out, vagrants.
It's a 1.5 million square foot naval base that the Navy decommissioned.
It's like a little city in there.
He has plans to build 300 affordable housing units here at the old Navy base. There is a not-so-small community of squatters living in the abandoned buildings here. Lately, they've noticed people bringing bikes into the city-owned complex.
I really got a kick out of this abandoned naval base. I mean, this is comparable to like what the Packard plant was in Detroit and the Bud factory in Philly. I mean, it's just a massive, massive building. And to be completely honest with you, I missed out on the good exploration of it. A good explore of this building would be when everything was kind of like not as destroyed. Fast forward present day, this place is just all just full of tweakers and crackheads, and all the graffiti is really faded or destroyed, and the whole building is just one big, like, it's insane, and it's gonna get demolished soon anyway. I mean, I heard there's all these rumors of real estate development and all that, so just wanted to give it one last look. It's definitely a crazy place. I don't recommend going here. It's not safe. I was kind of like a little bugged out going here alone, but yeah, it was cool just checking it out. Hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, they got Jeffrey Dahmer living in here. Yeah, they got the chainsaw, bro. What is going on? This place is wild. I'm not even gonna bother going in the building. It's crazy in there. There's like 500 people like living in there. Look at that. Yo, what's he doing in there? That's crazy. Yo, some dude, he's got a chainsaw inside the building right now. Good. How you doing?